What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove payment methods from your Google account. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open a new tab on your browser and navigate to play.google.com. Make sure you're logged in with your Google account by clicking the profile picture on the top right of your window. Navigate to Payments and Subscriptions. You will see a list of currently used payment methods on your account. To remove a payment method, select Edit Payment Methods. You can then edit or remove one or all of the payment methods connected to your Google account. Your Google Pay settings will also allow you to preview and edit your active subscriptions, addresses, and payment activity. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.